I'm going to show you how to change a battery in a Volkswagen remote. This was to my work for the Audis, but I'm not 100% sure. So to get to the battery, which is inside this remote, this one still has the keys on it, as you can see. What you want to do is open the key up, and inside you can see right here is a slot. You can use a flat screwdriver. So what you do is you set it in here like that, and you twist. Okay, so now the remote is split in half. This is just a key that we're not gonna need right now. We're gonna need this right here to get to the battery. To do this, there's a couple ways. Well, how I do it is I put my fingers in between and pry it open. And there's the battery. This is your chip with the buttons. So I'm gonna set that on the side. I'm gonna get to the battery. This one, I have something sharp, maybe a needle nose to get this battery out. Kind of tough to come out. Let's see if I flip it around and nope. So we need something sharp to pull the battery out. Okay, I'm gonna use this. This should work. Let's see. Seems like right here there's space to actually take it out. If I can zoom in a little more. See that right there is space. Okay, here's the battery, and here is the new battery. It is a 2032. Okay, as you can see, it does have a seal on it. I have to remove the seal. Stuck my finger. And we're gonna put it back in here. Make sure you put it with the positive down. See, it shows right there positive. But not put it like this. It's gotta be with the flat surface down. Which there's a plus right there, as you can see. I'm gonna set that down. Put that in there like so. Then we're gonna put the cap back on. And that's it. Oh, I should have showed you before, the light didn't work. Now you can see the light works. So basically I was able to pop the trunk, but I was able to lock it, I couldn't unlock it. And then sometimes it'd be the opposite. Unlock, couldn't lock. So anyways, that's the lower part, it's all together. And the second piece just goes on like this. Make sure you don't put it the other way. You can't even put it the other way. One way, and just put in your hand like this and squeeze. You won't be able to do it with two hands. It's very hard. So you put it in between your hands, in your hand right there, and squeeze it, and it pops it closed. And that should do it. Now let's go see if it works. Okay, I'm outside. Gonna unlock it. That's all four doors. That's lock. And we got the trunk. Well, doesn't work. It means one of the doors is open. Okay, it turned out the trunk was open. So you can see when I lock it, it locks. And if you press the button, trunk open. And now that the car is still locked, if you do want to manage to open the trunk, and then close it, it still locks automatically. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.